Hello guys, welcome back. In this video, we will continue our discussion with the iteration statements. So the agenda for today's video will be, we will understand what is while loop in Java and also look at the do while loop in Java. So without wasting time, let's get started. Now let us consider this example using for loop, where what we do is we simulate a food chain business where they prepare burgers until all the buns are exhausted, right? And now suppose that the food chain has 10 buns, so they will prepare 10 burgers. And as you must have already watched my previous videos on for loop, so you must be aware that all the sections of the for loop are optional, right? So here what we have done is we have just used the condition expression part, right? And the initialization part is outside the for statement and your update expression part is inside your loop body, right? So first let me run this program. And now if I compile and run this for loop program, the preparing burger statement should be printed 10 times, right? So let me run this. And as you see, we have the output printed 10 times. All right. Now what I do is I'll modify the program. So here what I will do is I'll remove this for keyword and instead I'll write this while keyword and also remove the semicolons inside the statement, right? So now I'm only left is with the conditional expression part, right? So this becomes your while statement, right? So your while statement does consist of the while keyword and the condition expression, right? So let me run this program. Now let me compile and execute the program. And as you see, we have the same output as the previous for loop example. All right. So this is the syntax of the while loop. So here you have this while keyword followed by the condition expression. And if this condition expression evaluates to your boolean true, then the loop body is executed. And if the condition expression evaluates to false, then your loop body is not executed. Now let us talk about the do while loop. So here what we do is we simply copy this while statement after the loop body. So I cut this and I paste it over here. And before the loop body, what I do is I write the keyword do and end the while statement with a semicolon. Now this becomes your do while loop. So first let me run this program and the output should be printed 10 times. And here if I compile and run the program, the output should be printed 10 times. And as you see, we have the outputs printed 10 times. So this is the syntax of the do while loop in Java. So first we write the do keyword, then we have the loop body, and after the loop body we write the while statement, which consists of the condition expression. And you must also notice the semicolon after the while statement. So in do while loop, first your loop body is executed. Then the condition is checked if loop can go for further iterations or not, right? And if the condition is true, then the loop body is executed until the condition expression evaluates to false. Now let us look at the difference between the while and the do while loop in Java. Now consider this example of the while loop. So here what I've done is I've changed the value of this number of buns from 1 to 11, right? So now your while condition is evaluating to false, right? And so the output should not be displayed on the screen. So let me run this program. Let me compile and execute the program. And as you see, we have no output displayed on the terminal. All right. Now consider this do while program. So here the condition of while statement remains the same. That is your number of buns should be less than equal to 10. and also the number of 1 is initialized with the value of 11. So let me run this program. Now let me compile and execute the program, right? And as you see, we have one line of output, that is preparing burgers, right? So let us see why this happened. So as you know that your Java program is executed from top to bottom. So first your do while body is executed and then the condition is checked, right? So for your do while loop, your body will be executed at least once, irrespective of the condition, right? So this is the major difference between the while loop and the do while loop in Java. So that is it for the today's video. And please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. And I will see you until next time.